हमारी सोसाइटी में ना एक नैरेटिव बना हुआ है कि अगर अगर आपके आसपास कोई फीमेल है और उसको पीरियड्स हो रहे हैं तो उससे ज़रा बच के रहो, क्योंकि अभी ये वो समय है जब उसका बिहेवियर अनप्रेडिक्टेबल होगा और वो रिएक्ट करेगी किसी भी बात पर। और ये इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि उसको मूड स्विंग्स हो रहे हैं, और मूड स्विंग्स इज़ द मेन रीज़न वाई शी इज़ गोना बी बिहेविंग इन अ वेरी रिएक्टिव मैनर। अब मिथ ये बस्ट करते हैं हम इसको कि जब उसे मेंसेस हो रहे होते हैं तो सबसे अ, जो प्रोमिनेंट फीचर है मेंसेस का, जो उसे फिजिकली फील होता है apart from bleeding, is the pain, the constant dull excruciating pain of different intensity, and that intensity is fluctuating on its own without her awareness, and it's not in her control. At times it would be very like less, and it's somewhere like you have in your back of your mind that I'm getting that pain, and suddenly it'll shoot up to a level where like you can't like you feel आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. एंड ये जो पूरा फ्लक्चुएशन का दौर होता है ड्यूरिंग पीरियड्स व्हेन शी इज गोइंग थ्रू दिस हाई एंड लो इंटेंसिटी ऑफ पेन in her abdomen, in different parts of her pelvic region. She could be in a meeting, she could be doing her household chores, she could be in the grocery store shopping for the household stuff, she could be in a public place like in a road walking, going to her workplace or going to somewhere she is supposed to go. And at that time she's already having that unpredictable phenomena going inside of her body, जहाँ उसको नहीं पता कि अभी उसका जो पेन है कब शूट अप हो जाएगा और कब वो अभी कम रहने वाला है. और उस पॉइंट में कोई एक इंसान आता है और उसको इरिटेट करने की कोशिश करता है ज़रा सा भी, तो उसकी सटक जाती है. She would be exploding without giving you any chance at that time to explain yourself. And why males are surprised or shocked by this behavior of women in these during these days is because और दिन तो जो फीमेल्स होती हैं वो अपने डोसाइल, सबमिसिव और एक टिमिड उसमें रहती है ना, बिहेवियर में रहती है, जहाँ वो आपके बड़े बड़े बीएस या न्यूसेंस को भी चुप रह के अपने काम पे लग जाती है, ज़्यादा रिएक्ट करना तो दूर, रिस्पॉन्ड भी नहीं करती है. एंड सडनली ऑन दीज डेज यू डू अ स्मॉल like you commit a small mistake of irritating her by your silly jokes, or you try to pull her leg, or you try to belittle her, insult her in a amusing manner in front of others, or you try to exploit her or suppress her. She won't take it in a positive manner, which she would do otherwise because of the brainwashing done by the society as she was growing up. But during those days, because she's going through that pain which is constantly felt by her, apart from the bleeding which she's going through, and the fact that that pain is also fluctuating and she doesn't have control over why and how and when that level of pain would increase or decrease, you should be ready and prepared to face the dire consequences at that time if you try to mess with her. And so the myth is, it's not only some hormones changing and mood swings just happening without any reason, it's the pain which makes her I would say sensitive, oversensitive towards your stupidities and acts of nuisance which she would otherwise on other days would ignore, but on those days